Thermostat wiring and replacement. Always run one extra conductor than you think you need, so you're ready for 2-wire condensing units, smart thermostats, or future upgrades. When replacing or wiring a thermostat, plan for 3-conductor cable and label each conductor at both ends to avoid confusion during installation. Bring a continuity tester to verify wire integrity and mark the common wire for heat pump or 2-stage systems so the contractor can identify it without guesswork. Pull the cable through the shortest practical route, but avoid tight bends and heat sources that degrade insulation. Use fish tape and a lubricant rated for electrical cable to reduce damage when fishing through walls. At the outdoor condensing unit, leave a minimum of 6 inches of service loop so terminal connections can be re-terminated without rerunning cable, and solderless crimp connectors with heat shrink are preferable to prevent corrosion at damp outdoor terminals. If the system might need a common for a smart thermostat, run a dedicated common conductor back to the air handler control board and fasten it to the common terminal, not to chassis ground. Use 24-volt transformer wiring practices. Keep thermostat wires separate from high-voltage runs and maintain at least 1-inch separation from fluorescent or motor wiring to reduce induced noise that can cause intermittent signals. When replacing older 2-wire thermostats for modern controls, verify the control board's terminal labeling and voltage with a multimeter before connecting new devices. Many installers have accidentally applied line voltage to low-voltage terminals. For long runs over 100 feet, upsizing conductor to 18 gauge from 24 gauge reduces voltage drop and improves signal reliability for wireless or power-hungry thermostats. Always secure wires at service panels with strain relief and document color to function mapping in a home file so future technicians don't assume standard color coding. One of the most common thermostat wiring mistakes is running exactly 2 wires and later discovering the condensing unit or smart thermostat needs a third. Fix this by pulling 3-conductor cable up front and labeling the extra wire as common or spare. One of the biggest issues is misidentifying the common terminal and tying a conductor to ground, which can damage transformers and controls. Fix it by testing for 24 volts and tracing the transformer's common terminal back to the control board before making connections. One of the frequent problems is voltage drop over long runs, causing intermittent thermostat behavior. Fix this by using a heavier gauge wire, reducing run length where possible, or installing a local relay or transformer at the zone to maintain proper control voltage. BigHomeProjects.com lists pre-vetted local HVAC and electrical contractors so homeowners can find experienced pros who already understand best thermostat wiring practices. The directory also helps contractors get work by connecting them with nearby leads and showcasing verified customer reviews and project specialties.